Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to change your password in the SHEIN application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then click on the Me button at the bottom of the page on the right. And then click on the Settings button at the top of the page on the right. And then click on the Manage My Account button. And within that, click on the Change Password button. So first you have to type in your old password, and then enter the new password, and then confirm the new password again. And by clicking on this little I button at the right side of the lines, you will be able to type your password by viewing what you write, so you cannot miss it. And once you did that, just click on the Submit button and your password is changed. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.